Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss everything related to blockchain and cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be discussing zkSync rollups, what they are, and why they're important for the future of Ethereum. So, let's get started. Part 1. What are rollups? Before we dive into what zkSync rollups are, let's first talk about rollups in general. Rollups are a Layer 2 scaling solution that allows for increased transaction throughput on the Ethereum blockchain. They work by processing transactions off-chain, bundling them together into a single transaction, and then committing the transaction to the main Ethereum blockchain. Part 2. What is zkSync? zkSync is a specific type of rollup that uses zero-knowledge proofs to provide increased scalability and privacy for Ethereum transactions. It's important to note that zkSync is not a separate blockchain, it's still built on top of the Ethereum network. Part 3. How do zkSync rollups work? In a nutshell, zkSync rollups work by aggregating transactions off-chain, compressing them, and then submitting them to the Ethereum blockchain as a single transaction. This approach drastically reduces the amount of data that needs to be stored on the main Ethereum network, allowing for much faster transaction processing times. Additionally, zkSync rollups use zero-knowledge proofs to ensure that all transactions are valid, while also keeping the transaction data private. This is achieved through a technique called zkRollup, which enables the rollup operator to bundle many transactions into a single transaction that is verified off-chain, and then submitted to the Ethereum network. Part 4. What are the benefits of zkSync rollups? There are several benefits of zkSync rollups that make them an attractive scaling solution for the Ethereum network. Here are a few. Increased transaction throughput. By processing transactions off-chain, zkSync rollups are able to greatly increase the number of transactions that can be processed per second on the Ethereum network. Reduced gas fees. Because zkSync rollups bundle transactions together into a single transaction, the gas fees for each individual transaction are greatly reduced. Improved privacy. zkSync rollups use zero-knowledge proofs to keep transaction data private, making it much more difficult for third parties to track transactions. Lower environmental impact. By reducing the amount of data that needs to be stored on the Ethereum network, zkSync rollups help reduce the overall energy consumption required to process transactions on the network. Part 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, zkSync rollups are a promising Layer 2 scaling solution that can greatly increase the transaction throughput of the Ethereum network while also providing improved privacy and lower gas fees. With the continued growth of decentralized applications and the increasing demand for faster and cheaper transactions, it's clear that solutions like zkSync rollups will play a critical role in the future of Ethereum. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.